What are you doing? You burying your dinner? That really good, expensive food that I get you? Look at that. It's got meat in it and gravy. You gonna save it for later? Chester, why are you burying your dinner? Why are you burying your dinner? It's so delicious. Knock it over. Oh, you have ensnared yourself. Hi. Well, I guess you're just gonna have to eat it now. Right, Boo? Hi, Chester. I'll come back and the whole bowl will be covered in that rug. Oh, hello.